The Klein CL220VP electrical test kit offers an impressive range of tools, including a clamp meter and multiple testers, all neatly stored in a padded pouch for convenience. The clamp meter in this kit is auto-ranging and can measure alternating current, and direct current voltage, resistance, continuity, and temperature, making it a versatile choice for professionals. The non-contact voltage tester included is equipped with a dual range detection feature, which covers a wide range of voltage applications, providing added utility. An integrated flashlight on the non-contact voltage tester enhances visibility in dimly lit work areas, ensuring safety and accuracy. The voltage tester in the kit allows for easy testing of both alternating current and direct current voltages, with clearly defined levels for common uses. The receptacle tester is a valuable tool for identifying common wiring issues in both standard and ground fault circuit interrupter outlets, aiding in efficient troubleshooting.